If you run a cleaning business, you know the nightmare of trying to book a client. Messaging, emails, back and forth communication. So let me show you how to make your life easier with Koalendar. Here is the booking page I built under 10 minutes. So let me show you what your clients will see. They will be able to choose your services. You can additionally include ads on. Your clients will be able to choose the date that suits them, the time. Additionally, they will be able to book multiple services or make it recurring. Let's say they want cleaning every Thursday 4 times for weeks in a row. Then they proceed to booking. They could see the time slots, the total amount. All they need to do is fill their name and email address and hit confirm. And just like that, they've booked themselves. Now, let me show you how to easily set this up. We will go to koalendar.com and start a new booking page. Let's start with the name. You can change the picture with your logo. Choose the colors. All the changes you will be able to see in real life on the right side. Here you can set up hosts. You can add any members of your team. In the location, just add your address. And then scroll for appointment types. That's where you will add your services. Add the name, the description, duration, and the price. The price could be fixed or per attendee. And hit apply. Additionally, you can collect payments with Stripe. Just set up your Stripe account. If you're running any promotion, you can add coupons. Additionally, you can add add-on services. Set the duration and the price. These services will be available as add-on. Another great feature, if you scroll down, you can toggle allow multiple and recurring bookings. Let's see what changes. When your clients will book the time, they will see the options of select and add another service or select and make it recurring. Down below, you can choose your availability and you can set a default account schedule that will be used for all your bookings. Pay attention that you can set up minimum booking notice and maximum advance bookings. Scrolling down, you will see a booking form. Add any questions that you will need to ask your clients. For the notifications, you can set up email and SMS reminders to make sure that your clients remember about your service. You can add multiple reminders. You can set up follow-up emails if you want to ask for review or send any other information after the cleaning. Scrolling down, you will see after booking page that will allow your clients to cancel or reschedule on their own. Now that you're happy with how it looks, let's create a new booking page. And just like that, the booking page was created. Additionally, you can add it to your existing website. Just click this button and choose how you want it to look, as a pop-up text, as an embed that will show the calendar on your website, or as a pop-up widget. Let's say you want a pop-up text or a link. All you have to do is decide if it's a link or a button, choose the color, and copy this into your HTML code. And just like that, you created a fully functional booking page for your business. So no more back and forth, so you can focus on what actually matters. Give it a try today and see how much time you can save.